That's the traditional way of printing invoices and DOs. Manual rubber stamping, carrying the size, and pre-printed forms, noisy, and the dotty print quality. I'm going to show you now how we can digitalize this process. You simply click print from your existing accounting software or ERP system to our dot-to-ink system, like this. And almost immediately, the digital invoice will be printed out from the latest Epson inkjet MFP. Here it is. Dot-to-ink intelligently recognizes if special instructions are required. For example, the red COD stamp is automatically printed rather than the manual rubber stamp. And if needed, the QR code is also printed if contactless payment is required. The other part of Dot-to-ink helps you to intelligently and automatically check if the DO or invoices are back after deliveries are made, and if they have been signed and stamped by the recipients. Look at how Dot-to-ink matches these invoices. In this case, this invoice was not signed by the recipient. However, this one is matched. As seen from the thumbnail, the document is signed and stamped, which is a completed process. For managers, you can see the reports real-time, whether by the number of DO or invoices that are matched and unmatched, or by value. Take a look. The old way, the digitalized way.